Hello! We are back again today, and we are going to be talking about pattern and science. Oh, and some organic shapes. So let's get going. Hello! Before we get started with our art lesson, let's do our art motto. And it goes a little something like this. I will try my best, I will be creative, and I will problem solve. Now today's art lesson is all about shape and pattern. We're going to be talking about a specific kind of shape, which is our organic or free-form shapes. They're a little bit like the opposite of our geometric shapes. These are shapes that are made up, and you can find them more or less in nature. Like think of the shape of coral or an apple or a seashell. Yeah, we're also going to be talking about pattern and repetition. Pattern is when a line, shape, color, or design repeats over and over and over. But we're getting our inspiration today from microbiology, which is the study of tiny organisms up close under a microscope. This is going to be a lot of fun, and we're going to create some abstract art, which is art that is not representative of actual realistic things. So you're going to use line, shape, color, and design to portray your idea. So let's get going with our project and see what we can create with the inspiration of science. Let's go. Today in art, I can create abstract art that is inspired by microbiology. I can use pattern and repetition to add visual interest, and I can use a variety of organic shapes. Okey-doke, before I got started, the first thing I did was hop on the internet and check out some things under the microscope. This disgusting cootie, which is also beautiful, are variations of the flu virus. Ugh. Then what I did is I started out by creating a frame around my page, and all I did was take a straight edge all the way around and trace that, so at the end I'll have a nice finished looking framed in piece of art. Then what I'm going to do is break up the space. Now you can choose anything you want to do to break up the space. You could trace a plate or whatever, but I traced my hand. And my idea is that all of the ooey gooey gross cooties will be in the background. And then my hand, on the inside of my hand, I'm going to put items that are inspired by medicine or vitamins. Now, that is just my idea. And we're gonna go ahead and only use organic shapes in this project and just have some fun with this. Go all the way around your page, creating a pattern, a design that repeats over and over and over so that your project in the background has unity. Then once I've colored in my background and I get it just the way I like it, I hopped on the internet one more time, and these beautiful things happen to be vitamin C under the microscope. So this is where I got my inspiration for the second part of my project. So inside my hand, the things that I have control over are going to be inspired by vitamins and medicine. So what you're going to do, again, is create a repeating pattern and do your very best coloring and fill your page, the inside of your object, with your new organic shape pattern. So overall, you're going to have two different types of patterns, both inspired by two different things under a microscope. Once I finished, I decided I wanted to outline some of my elements with a dark marker, and let's find out if I did my job. I have abstract art inspired by microbiology. I use pattern and repetition and a variety of organic shapes. Okay, I cannot wait to see what you create. Have fun with this project and keep on arting.